Welcome to CSEGuru. In this session, we will discuss the topic Deque operations. In that, insert right operation we are going to discuss. So, there are four basic operations we can able to perform on Deque: insert left, insert right, delete left and delete right. Now, in this session, we will discuss insert right operation with its algorithm and example. Already, we have discussed what do you mean by Deque data structure, what are all the two variants of Deque data structure, and what are all the operations we can able to perform in Deque data structure. So to understand the Deque concepts, I will provide the link in the description for your reference. So here, algorithm step 1. If left is equal to 0 and right is equal to max minus 1, if both the condition is true in the sense, in that case, the Deque data structure is full. Okay. For example, if you are considering this as the Deque data structure, and here the size of the Deque data structure is totally 8. 0 to max minus 1, that is 7 memory location. And if left pointer is pointing to 0th memory location and right pointer is pointing to max minus 1 memory location in the sense, meaning is all the positions we have placed the element. So no position is free here. Okay, in that case, you cannot able to perform new insertion. Left is pointing to 0, right is pointing to max minus 1. All the memory location, whatever we have allocated, we have placed the elements already. Now, if you want to perform new insertion, it is not possible. So, it will write overflow condition and it will go to step 4 and it will exit. Insertion is not possible. That is the meaning. And one more condition is also there to check Deque is full or not. That is, left is equal to right plus 1. So here consider this as the Deque data structure and here also the size is 0 to n minus 1, totally 8 memory location. Max minus 1 position is 7. For example, here I have placed the elements. Okay, and right is pointing to 4th memory location. Element is 40. Okay, and left is pointing to first memory location. Element is 10. Suppose if I want to perform insertion, that is insert left if I am performing in the sense, what happens? Decrement the left pointer by 1 and place the element. Okay. Now left pointer will point to 0th memory location. Once when the left pointer reaches to 0th memory location, you need to reinitialize this left pointer to max minus 1 position. Now reinitialize left pointer to 7th memory location and then place the element. Again, if you want to perform insert left, decrement left pointer by 1 and place the element. Again, if I want to perform insert operation in the sense, decrement the left pointer by 1 and place the element. Now the left pointer will point to 5th memory location and right pointer will point to 4th memory location. So in this case, if you are checking, left is equal to right 4 plus 1. Okay. So in this case also, see all the memory locations, all the complete memory, whatever we have allocated, we have placed the elements, right? So here also, in this case also, we cannot able to perform new insertion. When left is equal to right plus 1. Now left is equal to right is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5th memory location, left is pointing. No memory location is free here. You cannot able to perform new insertion. So in this case also, write overflow and go to step 4, exit. Okay. Either this condition, this two conditions should be true at a time, or this is OR operator, or either this condition or this condition. If it is true in the sense the Deque data structure is full, you cannot able to perform new insertion. Otherwise, if this condition is false in the sense, go to step 2, check if left is equal to minus 1. What is the meaning? Left is minus 1. Normally, if front is equal to minus 1, we will check it, right? If front is equal to minus 1 in the sense, what is the meaning? The data structure is empty. There is no more elements in the data structure. Whatever the insertion you want to perform now, that is the first element you are going to insert into the data structure. Okay. So here if left is equal to minus 1, set left and right pointer to 0th memory location and place the first element. Set left and right pointer to 0th memory location and that is the first element you are going to insert into the Deque. That is the meaning if this condition is true. Suppose if this condition is also false. Go to else part, and here you have to check if right is equal to max minus 1. So what is the condition here in the sense? See, this is the Deque data structure, and when the right is max minus 1. So right pointer, if it is reaching to max minus 1, some element is there. Okay, you need to, and here left pointer is pointing here in the sense. Okay, when the right pointer has reached to max minus 1 position, you need to reassume this right pointer to 0th memory location, because towards the left pointer side there is a space to insert. You can able to perform new insertion. 3 memory locations are free here. Okay, you can able to perform new insertion. So when the right pointer has reached to max minus 1 position, that is the 7th memory location, just reassume the right pointer to 0th memory location and place the new element. You can able to perform new insertion in this case. Okay, right is equal to max minus 1, set right is equal to 0. Else, if this condition is also false in the sense, what is the meaning? Set right is equal to right plus 1. This is the normal case. Here, this is the Deque data structure. Now, right is pointing here, 5th memory location. Left is pointing to 2nd memory location. Now, here, all the condition is false. So, here, the overflow condition is not true, and left is not minus 1. And a right pointer has not yet reached max minus 1 position. In that case, meaning is just to increment the right pointer position by 1. Now, right is pointing to 6th memory location and place the element. Okay, just to increment the right pointer position by 1 and then place the element. Step 3 is placing the element. Okay, if left is equal to minus 1, if the condition is true in the sense, the pointer, left and right pointer, you have to set to 0th memory location. Afterwards, you have to come to step 3 and place the element in that memory location. Else, if right has reached to max minus 1 position in the sense, set right pointer to 0th memory location and then go to step 3 and place the element. Okay, else, in the right pointer position itself, there is a free memory space. So, just increment right pointer position by 1 and then place the element. That is in step 3. What is the value you want to insert? Just place in that right pointer position. So, these are all the conditions. See, left is equal to minus 1, right is equal to max minus 1, right is equal to right plus 1. All these case, it will set the right pointer position and then placing the element to step 3. You need to place the element here. Okay. So, this is insert right. Thank you for watching this video.